If interviewer will ask you, what is the difference between filters and slicers? So you can say confidently, filters are used to narrow down data before it's displayed. There are three types of filters. One is your visual level filter, second is your page level filter, third is your report level filter. And most probably, filters we used in to optimize the performance of the report, to prevent or maintain the consistency across the report, to see the fixed data view. Okay. So what is slicers? Slicers are interactive visuals that allow users to slice and dice the data by selecting values. So you can use slicers in many ways. Like you can create a list slicers, you can create a drop down slicer, you can create a date range slicer, you can create a relative date range slicer. It is basically slicers is used in most way in self-service dashboards. Then if you want to create a presentation, that time you can use slicer. Okay, I will show you now how you can create filters and slicers, and we can use to interact a dashboard by using filters and slicers. Okay, so stay tuned with Learn with Vivek. So I have one dashboard. Okay, so I'll show you live what is slicers and what is filters. So this is my slicers. I have created these slicers. Okay, so I'll show you first a visual level filter. Okay. So this is my sales for weekly sales. Okay. Sales for weekly. Okay. This is my sales for weekly. Okay. If I add a week filter, right? This is my visual level filter. Now I have selected a week 3. Means this is a visual level filter. Okay. So what is page level filter? Okay. If I select same week, okay. So now all the data is filtering out for week 4 only. Okay. This is your page level filter. All the visuals are filter out for only for week 4. This is my page level filter. What is my report level filter? I have added a customer segment here. Okay. So if I select a regular customer segment, then all the report, okay, concentrate here, all the report pages, okay, filtering out only for regular customer segment, only for regular. Okay, if you see, okay, this is the report level filter on all the pages. Okay, now I will show you a date range slicer, how to create a date range slicer. So let's see. So I will add a slicer here. Then I will select a date. Then I will do that drop down. If I select January 1st to February, okay, we don't have data for this period. If I select August 23, yes, this is the date between slicer. These are the normal drop down slicers. Okay, content is helpful for you, right? Then you can like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and please stay tuned with Learn with Vivek. Thank you.